you can control your environment in some ways. You can bring beauty to it. That's what really inspires me. It's to contribute something that's useful, that's not just pretty for pretty sake, but has a reason for being there. Art is everything. Art is everything that makes humans human.
Art to me is one of the most powerful tools about being human, because it's one of the ways that we can pass culture on and keep culture alive, even if the individual is not there anymore.
I saw that you guys were writing about happiness and overcoming fear. I thought of Selena right away. Even though, this woman has been gone for like y'all's entire life, there's still something about her that it still inspires, little girls today.
The fact that it's in the front of the school, so as everyone drives by, it doesn't matter which direction they're going, they're gonna see Selena on the front of your school. And it was just a beautiful moment of like, wow, like this mural is going to change everyone's daily lives.
It just makes me feel really happy that I have that mural on my school, that I've been working so hard to make that mural really proud so everybody could see it, and it makes me feel really happy and excited.
This is now bigger than the school, like you don't even have to go to the school anymore to want to go see that mural, to want to take your family to see that mural, to be like, have you seen this new thing, right? And folks will be like, wow, this is now Montbello's, like a little hidden gem in Montbello.
That work we do, it makes me so happy because I never do poems and I think I will love poems.
I'm just so happy that we created all of this and that you guys helped us
take control of what we want our communities to look like and say, oh no, like I want this to be a place where folks are like, yeah, that's beautiful. Because I think a lot of the times folks don't know how beautiful Montbello is. And so this is a way to be like, yeah, we made that. We wrote poems. The poems inspired this mural. And now look, we did this.
The mural was a way of bringing happiness and bringing the thoughts that you guys had into the community.
We love it. We like it. It's so beautiful.
We just really wanted to make beautiful things, either with words, as Franklin does, or with images like I do. We learn so much about different cultures based on the art that they leave behind. And so I think it's very important for the community to be involved with the artists so that the things that are left behind are the stories that are important to the community. Working with kids keeps me from being boring. There's no supposed to, it's just the way you do it. It was very cool for me to see the words that you came up with while you were working with Franklin and to be able to incorporate that into the final mural. So that was really awesome.
Happiness is bigger than sadness. A lot of people use it, and it's fun having it. But fear is smaller than the whole entire world.
Sadness can take over, but you are stronger. Anger can take you away, but you have to think good things. Happiness is stronger than loneliness.
You're not sad, you're in charge, and sadness is not. It's okay, don't hide in the shadows, just because you think you do not matter.
You are thinking that you are alone, but you are not. Your family is there with you. They believe in you, and so do I.